you just have to do a colorful halo eye. Am I right or am I right? I don't know why, but I think that red and pink together is like a really underrated color combo. So that's what we're doing today. I'm like already in love with this, so we're gonna put an even darker red. Oh, yes! The other day I actually got a comment that was probably intended as a compliment about how my makeup reactions are more natural than others, and I'm not about that life. Like, sometimes people have different reactions, and there's nothing that is inherently better or worse than the other. It's okay to not like over-exaggerated reactions, obviously, but that is all it is. It's a preference, and my reactions are entirely based on my mood. I'm afraid I didn't really take it as a compliment because I'm not always gonna be like that, and I never want to put anyone else down. I hope that makes sense anyway, but yeah. So I'm now just going over all the colors with a fluffier brush. That is gonna be the halo eye. It's easy for the eye colors to kind of disappear, so you can just re-intensify as needed. And this is not something you always want to be showing on camera because it is a slow process of trying to make everything come together, but I thought I could do that today and just show you all the art. Takes time. I think I want to be going into like a Dojin eye. I'm gonna take like a contour shade and put that under the white and buff it out. And it would not be complete if I did not try and add a little bit of glitter underneath. Then we tie it together with a wing. Let's go in with a dark brown eyeshadow. Time for lashes. Okay, now what I want to do is take a really bright pink, sort of build it underneath my eyes, and then on my foundation brush I'm gonna take this pink glitter and sort of dab it on, and then you layer that with the bright pink and it'll just look kind of magical. And some of the glitter is also gonna go just a little bit like that. Oh, yes, yes. And that is the look complete. Forgive me. I really struggle to get these lashes to stick over here. If anyone has suggestions, let me know. But yeah, I will catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.